Hi, I'm Steph from Simplicity Happens, and today's 10-minute activity features following directions with in, on, and under. We're going to receptively and expressively label each of the animals and insects on the background scene, and then we're going to follow directions. If you're interested in downloading this activity, you can find it on my website at simplicityhappens.com. I will have the directions up after the 10-minute activity. Now, let's get started labeling and following directions. Hello, and welcome to today's 10-minute activity. We are going to create our very own pond scenes. Are you ready to get started? Great to hear. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to receptively label each of the animals and insects that go on our background scene. So up here, I have receptive labeling. All that means is I am going to say, point to the, and I'm going to name an insect or an animal, and you're just going to point to it, whether it's here up on the screen or if you have the animal and insect cutouts in front of you. Let's get started. Point to the turtle. Here is the turtle. Point to the frog. Here is the frog. Point to the butterfly. Here is the butterfly. Point to the fish. Here is the fish. Point to the bumblebee. Here is the bumblebee. Point to the bird. Here is the bird. Nice job labeling all of the animals and insects. Nice job labeling all of the insects and animals. Now what we're going to do is we're going to follow the directions to put the animals and insects on the pond background scene. This part of the tutorial helps us understand positional words. So you can either put your finger on the screen where you believe the animal or insect should be, or if you have the animal and insect cutouts in front of you, you can put them on your background scene where you think they go. So are you ready to get started? Let's go. Put the bird in the sky. I'm going to put the bird in the sky. Put the butterfly on the rock. I'm going to put the butterfly on the rock. Put the fish under the pond flowers. I'm putting the fish under the pond flowers. Put the frog on the log. I'm putting the frog on the log. Put the bee in the sky. I'm putting the bee in the sky. And lastly, put the turtle under the log. I'm putting the turtle under the log. Next, we're going to expressively label each animal or insect on the background scene. What that means is I'm going to click on one of the animals or insects, and you can help by telling me what it is. Are you ready? Let's get started. What is this? Very nice. It's a frog. What is this? It's a butterfly. What is this? Yes, it's a fish. What is this? It's a bumblebee. What is this? Well done. It's a turtle. And what is this? Nice job. It's a bird. Great effort expressively labeling each insect and animal on the pond scene. The last task in the tutorial today is to go through and help by saying where each animal or insect is on the pond background scene. So let's go through and practice just a bit. As we practice, listen for the key words in, on, and under in each of our practicing sentences. Are you ready? Let's practice. Where is the fish? The fish is under the pond flowers. Where is the butterfly? The butterfly is on the rock. Where is the bird? The bird is in the sky. Where is the turtle? The turtle is under the log. Where is the frog? The frog is on the log. Where is the bumblebee? The bumblebee is in the sky. Nice effort practicing. I hope you heard those key words in, on, and under. Now I'm going to go through and click on an animal or insect, and you can help by telling where the animal or insect is using in, on, or under. Are you ready? Let's get started. Where is the bird? Nice effort. The bird is in the sky. Where is the fish? The fish is under the pond flowers. Where is the butterfly? The butterfly is on the rock. Where is the turtle? The turtle is under the log. Where is the bumblebee? awesome effort. The bumblebee is in the sky. And where is the frog? Great effort. The frog is on the log. Nice job working so hard to help out and say where each of the animals or insects are on the background scene. I've had so much fun labeling and following directions with you today. Stick around and I'll be back next week with another 10-minute activity. See you then. Bye. If you'd like your students or child to follow along with this activity, you can get it on my website at simplicityhappens.com. All you'll need to do is go out to simplicityhappens.com and then click on subscribe here in the top menu header. That'll bring you to a page where you can subscribe by inputting your name and email after reading the Sign Me Up for the Simplicity Happens newsletter summary. Once that's completed, I'll send you an email right away with a password for the activity garden. And all you'll do is come over to the activity garden and you can enter your password in here. And once you do, that will open you up to a bunch of fun downloadable activities